You are my hiding place.
Hey friends, this is You Are My Hiding Place in the key of E minor, and this is such a simple way to chord along to this song. I hope you love it. Make sure to stop the video. If you click right on the description below, you will be able to print out the chord sheet to this song, and it'll make a lot more sense as we dive in. Okay, so I'm going to talk about the simple chords that are in this song. We have A minor, B, C, D, E minor, and then we have a G. So a few more chords than most of our simplified versions, but I have stripped out a lot of complex parts of this song so that you can just simply chord along to this song. All right, so let's jump in and find those chords. So if we look for this group of 3 black notes, you will find the A minor tucked in right here, the A. Play every other note, and you're gonna play A, C, E, okay? And that is an A minor chord. So if you move up one set of notes and kind of pick up these 2 black notes up here, so we have the B, D sharp, F sharp. Okay. And that makes this curve line. It kind of this upwards curve line there. So that is a B chord. Okay. Then we move up one set of notes and we play a C major chord there. C, E, G. Okay, move up one set of notes again, and then pick up this black note in the middle. D, F sharp, A is our D triangle, and it makes this, like I said, a triangle shape here. D, F sharp, A, picking up that black note in the middle. Okay, then we have our E minor, move up one set of notes, E, G, B. Okay, and then our last and final chord that we're going to play is a G chord, and I'm going to probably play it down here. So we're going to play G, B, D. All right, perfect. So let's review. We have a G chord that we just got done playing. We have an A minor, a B, and I probably use fingers 1, 2, 3 for that chord. Okay, then we have a C chord, D chord, which is our triangle shape. It's the only triangle shape in this song. And then we have our E minor. Okay. All right, let's take a look at the left hand. I'm going to try to find a 5-note position that this left hand can kind of sit at the whole song, and so we don't have to move it out of position and lose where we're at. So for this song, I'm probably going to play my G, pinky on G, line up these 5 fingers and keep this hand here. So when we play our G in our right hand, we're just going to play a single note down here. Okay, G to G. Then we're going to play that A minor to A in the bass. B, it's kind of that curve line. Remember, white, black, black, with B in the bass. C chord with our C in the bass. D triangle to D in the bass. And then our E minor. I'm just going to open that thumb up. Notice I didn't move my hand out of position. I'm just kind of opening that up, playing that E when I'm playing the E minor, okay? All right, so we're going to figure out how these 2 hands come together. I'm going to sing and play through the chorus so you can hear it, and then we'll break down the rhythm, all right?
You are my hiding place. You always fill my heart with songs of deliverance. Whenever I am afraid, I will trust in you. All right, you see how simple that is? So how we break this down is this song is written in 4/4 time signature. So a ratio I call 1-to-2 ratio, or together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. So you could practice that on any of the chords that you are playing for this song, and that'll give you a good, that'll give you a good just starting foundational rhythm to be able to play along to this song. Okay, so let's take a look at that chorus. We're starting with that E minor, and I'm just simply opening up that thumb, keeping pinky on G, lining up those 5 fingers. And then we play the E minor up here, and we're just simply playing that nice marching rhythm like this, right? Together, right, together, right. All right, so let's go through it. You are my, move to the A minor position with A in the bass. Hiding place, move to the D, triangle. You always, G. Fill my heart with C chord. Songs of D. Here's that E minor, just open up here. Liver, move to the A minor. Ends, when. Okay, here's that B chord, B in the bass. Ever I am afraid, I will trust in. Move to that E minor, open up that thumb. You. Okay, then we move into the bridge part of the song. A minor, so we have A in the bass, A, C, E up here. Okay. I will trust in. D chord is the triangle. You, G. Let the weak say, C. I am, A minor, strong in the B chord here. It's that curve line. Strength of the Lord. Then it just goes right back into that chorus. You are my, A minor, hiding place, and so on into the D, G. So take it real slow. Work on your right hand only, and then work on your left hand only, figuring out which chords are going next. Try to get your hands used to going from chord to chord. That would help you to kind of break down this song into simpler steps. I'm going to play it beginning to end so you can sing and play along with me. If you find you mess up, just find your next chord or word or syllable that you can jump in with me and keep going. All right, here you go. You are my hiding place. You always fill my heart with songs of deliverance. Whenever I am afraid, I will trust in you. I will trust in you. Let the weak say I am strong in the strength of the Lord. You are my hiding place. You always fill my heart with songs of deliverance. Whenever I am afraid, I will trust in you. I will trust in you. Let the weak say I am strong in the strength of the Lord. You are my hiding place. You always fill my heart with songs of deliverance. Whenever I am afraid, I will trust in you. You are my hiding place. You always fill